What's the first thing you do after you enter your car? I mean, obviously after you check your mirrors, your rear view mirror, check your blind spots, all that good stuff. You want to listen to music. So after I picked up my car, I'm on the highway. I got a good tune going. Obviously, I can't use Apple CarPlay. This is an '06 BMW, so don't have that. I'm listening to my station. 2, 3 miles in, I look back down. I have no idea what station I'm on. So I'm clicking through the buttons. I've never had a BMW before, and I lost track of what I was doing. I must have changed it to AM. I couldn't switch back. I had no idea where the AM FM buttons were. I was changing it to CD. I was listening to an old CD that was in there. I mean, it was a mess. I just turned it off. I just turned it off. So when I got home, the first thing I did was look online, and I wanted to replace this. So I didn't know what to do. I don't know if I wanted to go an aftermarket route. So I just replaced it with the same old OEM stock head unit. Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sam Acevedo. I just picked up a '06 BMW 325i. Now the car needs some work, outside and in. Slowly but surely we'll get it done. Today though, we're going to start with this radio. I'm going to show you how to remove the radio and install a new one. In order for us to remove the head unit, we need to remove this bottom unit here, the climate control unit. Then once we remove that, we'll go ahead and remove the radio, and then we'll reinstall the radio, and then we'll reinstall the climate control. First, what we'll do is, just to make room, we're going to move the shifter back. So I'm just going to turn on the car really quick, put it in drive, and then turn it off. So now, with a panel popper, what you're gonna do is you're gonna squeeze this here in between the two units. Should be right around here. And you're just gonna gently pull this out, making sure you don't crack the plastic. All right, you can use your fingers. There you go. And this comes out. You're gonna unclip the tabs here. So you just move this. And that's out. Next, we remove the screws. And now we pull out the radio. Okay, once the radio's out, we just remove the clips here. This one pushes down and then it's released. There you have it. It's out. I wasn't sure what I wanted. I knew that I just wanted to listen to the radio and know what station I was on. So I just bought the same radio. I think this is an 08 version. There may be some other options on the radio, but who knows? I don't know if I will go aftermarket in this car. I know that they sell head units where you cut out part of the dash. I mean, it's definitely a possibility for now, but I think what I wanted to do was just replace it and just get it stock. So let's put this one back in. So the process is just gonna be, it's gonna be the same, just in reverse. I'm gonna start with the antenna. So that just pushes into place. Yep. You take the big clip while it's open, you match it up to all the pins there, you push it in, take the top of the clip and you squeeze it shut, and that locks it in place. Now we're going to push it back into place. Okay, that's as far as it'll go. Put the 2 screws back on. Now we put in the climate control unit. So insert the clips from the back, then moving that there in lock position. Same thing goes with this. I do like that. And then now this clips into place. And just like that, it's done. Real quick, pops right out, unbolt it, 2 screws, put the new head unit in, and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I have a lot more to come. I'm actually creating a playlist called Project E90 Build. And that goes from the exterior to the interior. I mean, there's so much to do to this car. As much as I appreciate having it, it's going to be a fun build. So subscribe to my journey, like this video if you want to watch more. I mean, I'll link something somewhere, and I'll see you on the next one.